Explain the contributions of Chandragupta first. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce the contributions contributed by Chandragupta. First, he was the ruler of the Gupta dynasty. So after Mauryan dynasty, after Mauryan Empire, there was another dynasty which also gained much attention from the scholars of the ancient India, and that was the Gupta dynasty. And among all other rulers, Chandragupta I is also considered as the greatest rulers of the Gupta dynasty. यानी कि चंद्रगुप्ता वन को जो है ग्रेटेस्ट रूलर जो है वो कंसिडर किया जाता है ड्यू टू हिज कंट्रीब्यूशंस. सो नाउ वी विल हैव ए ब्रीफ लुक एट द कंट्रीब्यूशन ही मेड फॉर द गुप्ता डायनास्टी. उसके ऊपर हम अभी एक सरसरी जायजा लेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ही लेड डाउन द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द गुप्ता डायनास्टी. सो ये इसकी बड़ी मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन है कि गुप्ता डायनास्टी, जिसको बाद में गोल्डन डायनास्टी भी कहा जाता है सम हिस्टोरियंस के यहाँ, तो वो अगर स्टैब्लिश ही ना होती तो आज हम उसको डिस्कस कौन कर रहा होता. तो लिहाजा जो पहला क्रेडिट इसको जाता है कि इसने इस एम्पायर को इस्टेब्लिश किया. नंबर वन, ही इस्टेब्लिश्ड ए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. एंड बिफोर दैट, although there were somehow central governments prevailing at that time, but he introduced a new central government where the competent officials were appointed to run the state affairs. यानी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में चेंजेस लेके आया, एक न्यू सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दी, और उस सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में ही अपॉइंटेड द competent rulers to administer the state affairs at that time. In addition to this, he was also the patron of Hinduism, and he spread the Hinduism in a way Ashoka spread the Buddhism. तो जिस तरह मौर्यन एम्पायर में बुद्धिज़्म को पैट्रनेज मिली, बुद्धिज़्म को स्प्रेड किया अशोका ने, in a similar way we can say that it was the Hinduism was also got momentum. It also became very dominant religion at that time, particularly in the period of Chandragupta I. In addition to this, he built many temples, and he also patronized many scholars, particularly Hindu scholars, Hindu philosophers. Another significant point, or you can say another significant contribution, was that he introduced gold and silver coins which were widely used at that time. So these were the important contributions he made for the Gupta dynasty, and that is why he is still known as the greatest ruler of the Gupta dynasty. So with this, we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with the new topic of history. Thank you.